Hello RIVIX family, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll have an Extreme Commander 400, which is XC400. So the color would be metallic or black, which is most favorite color I guess. This is the dashboard and this one is the board. So let's start the unboxing. Always make sure that you twist it and see if it locks. So if it is locked, so you don't have to press it and twist it, because when you press it and twist it, it means that we release out the air inside. So you make sure you can't twist it anymore, and then you put this in. So make sure the rough area is on top, and so you will need to adjust this to be in the middle of the hole. Next is to fit the side of the front panel. So make sure the air is around 30-40, then you can start inserting all these flooring plates into it. So yep. As you can see, this aluminum side plate, the way you insert it is the ticker will be at top and this side will be at the bottom. What you have to do is just slide it in. Okay, so now as you can see, we have just completed all the aluminum plates, all the flooring. We will start to inflate this board. We will start with the side, the main chamber, and then lastly we will continue with this hull chamber. Let's go! RIVIX family, we are finally done. So what time it is? It is voting time. So are you ready? But as you can see, there is no aluminum seat in here because I have just upgraded this to a chair version. I will assemble it later on. So let's have a preview for our boat.